violence to create masculinity with the use of violence against women. And for over years, or in the biblical times as well, it has shown that men really dominate this world. But also in my opinion, the boys and the men should take part on ending the violence against women. But why men? It is the women's problem, not the men's problem. But why us men? Why the boys? I believe that the men play a crucial part of playing as a father, as an educator, as leaders, and as a part of the everyday guys that we see in society. They all play a great role. They play as a role model to the youth and to others as well. I believe that using the boys and men will yield good results because boys and men will provide a role model to the children, and therefore eradicating children with minds that violate women. So if we could use the men and the boys as a role model, there will be a big change on the society, making it humane, making it applicable, making it the real life that really we wanted to live. And I believe also that the men will play a huge part in getting the message across to other men as well. Like the men in uniform, the men in the government, the men we see on the streets, the way they think about women. I guess using the men will change this kind of society that we have now. And a while ago, as I was on board an MRT train going here in Makati. I felt uneasy because of the train is crowded, and as each station that we get by, the train goes more crowded and more crowded. Me, as a student, as a young boy, really, it felt uneasy for me. But a woman caught my attention. It felt really uneasy for me. But what does that woman feel about? Super uneasy? Well, of course, yes. I see the world today is like an MRT train dominated by men. And as I left that train, it really made me that I really wanted to share this experience to the UN, to the world, sharing that woman feels uneasy. Not only she, but all women around the world. And we need to make an effort in eradicating gender equality among women. And why do we need to do this? We need to do this because this is the right thing. This is the right thing to do. And I am speaking not just a student, not just a competitor, but also as a classmate, as a friend, as a son, as a Filipino, as a Christian, and more importantly, as a human being. If we keep on neglecting this issue of gender equality, because this is the root of all, this is the root of, I think, why people think that men have greater chances of getting work than women. I think this gender inequality. And I believe that if we eradicate this, we will be living a life more and better. And I believe that if we neglect this, then there is nothing humane in our society. If civilization means working together as one, if civilization states that there is an absence of barbarism and non-rational behavior, then neglecting this means that we are uncivilized people. Changing our culture and the tradition is hard. But Jesus Christ Himself was an opponent of traditions. He said that it had nothing to do with the Scripture. And He said in Mark chapter 7 verse 9 that you have found a way setting aside the commandments of God just for you to observe the traditions.